We can build technology. That's what we're good in. And we build interfaces, we build processing devices and things like that. If you think about swarms or the concept of swarms, it basically touches on so many different aspects. Things like how do you run traffic? How do you do environmental monitoring? How do you make buildings more energy efficient? How do I as a human live in a world that's infused with information? Deep technology ranging from novel sensors, very low energy networking devices. To bring it all together, you basically touch on virtually everything which has to do with information technology. You think about networking, you think about communications, you think about computing, you think about operating system, services, things like locationing, time synchronization, machine learning, linking to the big data type of mindset, all those type of things are being touched. So in order to basically have a comprehensive picture, it is important that you bring people together from all those backgrounds. So by nature, you go to something which is multidisciplinary. If you just kind of focus on doing one little vertical thing, you're not going to go very far. You solve one problem, but it very often might be the wrong problem because it's not inspired by the rest of the environment. This is why multidisciplinary research is so important. Everybody kind of starts talking to each other, and we start talking each other's language and understand what the other part needs, and that's the way you drive the developments in each of those areas. And developments in neuroscience are driven by technology, or technology is driven by the needs of that particular space. So it is an interaction. So suddenly it has become possible for that physical computing to start interacting with that biological computing. We can create very high bandwidth interfaces between the two. And that opens enormous opportunities, both from a computational perspective, how do you do computation in general, but also in how we instrument and interact with the biological creatures, humans, animals, and so on and so forth. And the number of opportunities there we only scratched the surface on this. We're starting to do this, but the implications can be enormous. So we're basically at that crossroads of where the two kind of meet and might jointly do something very interesting. And that's, I think, is extremely exciting.